I just woke up. Today it is Monday and I think it's like 7:45, actually 7:50, and I'm going to get ready for school. I'm gonna go shower right now. After that, you guys are gonna get dressed with me. After that, I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna leave, and you guys are gonna join me today. You're gonna spend the day with me as a university student. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope you guys will really enjoy this video. Love you guys. Guys, this is my outfit of the day. Gray sweatpants, this gray top, and then I don't know what shoes to wear, but also I'm gonna wear this because I think it's cold, and also like in the lecture rooms it does become cold sometimes, so does this look fine? Like it doesn't look nice with this thing. Okay, let me try something else. Okay guys, I'm done getting dressed. I'm gonna go to the bathroom because we don't have long mirrors in our room, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom and check if my outfit is good, and then I'm gonna make food before I leave. But I think I look nice. Even my hair, I tied it before I went to shower and I like it. I don't know if I should wear like hoops. I'm thinking of wearing a hoop. Okay, let me see ukuthi kuzokanjani kodwa nje ngimuhle kakhulu, ngipila thata guys, ngipila, and that's on period. Yo guys, I look very nice. Oh, also guys, I'm no longer gonna use a tote bag because I got like a new bag, but it's a backpack. I don't know how I'm gonna look. I feel like I'm gonna look like a high school student again, but I think it's nice. I like my bag. Let me show you guys. This is the bag. Come in. Guys, I think I look cute. I think I look cute with this bag. I don't know. Let me nod.
Okay, let me just.
Oh, this is nice.
Very nice. Yeah, they fixed it. So
Yeah.
students break these things.
Break it You get arrested, ne queen. You will get arrested. Excited. Okay. I want people to acknowledge that I am strong and capable. Halala girl or guy. Yes. Oh no, I meant like I forgot what you said. Okay. I need my learners to know. Guys, oh my gosh. It looks so good.
And I don't read the hate comments. That's is there a time maybe you feel like this group of people are talking about me? Or escalate, have you experienced?
Guys, we're in class 20 minutes early. Basically, like an hour early, like 2 hours or 3 hours early. Period. Because we're serious students this semester. Hi guys, I just came back. Not now, but it's been a while since I've been back from class and I am extremely tired. I'm gonna take a nap right now and then I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. Please do give it a big thumbs up and definitely do subscribe.